What if the foods you eat every day are secretly changing your body and mind in ways you never expected? In this video, Unexpected Science Behind Everyday Food Choices, we uncover the surprising research behind how simple foods like coffee, bread, and chocolate influence your energy, focus, and even your mood. From hidden chemical reactions in your kitchen to fascinating biology inside your body, you'll learn the science that turns everyday eating into a powerful and sometimes shocking. Food is far more than just a collection of ingredients and a cooking method. Every single bite we take, every craving we experience, is deeply rooted in complex scientific processes. These processes influence not only what we eat, but also how we perceive and enjoy it. Perfect for anyone curious about nutrition facts, food myths, healthy eating, and science-backed diet tips, this video blends fun food experiments with real scientific studies to reveal what's really happening when you sit down to eat. Stay tuned till the end for practical food hacks that can make your daily choices healthier and smarter without giving up your favourite meals. We often think of food in terms of flavour and nutrition, yet beneath the surface lies a fascinating world of chemistry, biology, and psychology. This hidden science shapes our daily food choices in surprising ways. From the intricate workings of our taste buds to the profound influence of our gut microbiome, it's all interconnected. Join us as we uncover the unexpected scientific principles that govern our plates. We'll explore why we love certain foods and how our bodies react to them. Our perception of taste is incredibly sophisticated. While we commonly recognize sweet, sour, salty, and bitter, there's a fifth fundamental taste: umami. This savory sensation is often described as meaty or brothy. Umami signals the presence of amino acids, particularly glutamate. These are the building blocks of proteins. Foods rich in umami include aged cheeses, mushrooms, ripe tomatoes, and fermented products like soy sauce. Beyond these 5 basic tastes, our brains integrate signals from smell, texture, and temperature. This creates the complex flavour profile we experience. Our sense of smell in particular accounts for up to 80% of what we perceive as taste. Texture, or mouthfeel, is an often underestimated component of food enjoyment. It refers to the physical sensations food creates in our mouths. Think of the crunch of a potato chip or the creaminess of a custard. These sensations are detected by mechanoreceptors in our oral cavity. They send signals to the brain, influencing our perception of freshness, quality, and even satiety. A food with an appealing texture can be just as satisfying as one with great flavour. Consider the difference between a crisp apple and a mealy one. The textural contrast significantly impacts our desire to eat it. This highlights how crucial mouthfeel is to our overall eating experience. Our eyes eat first, and the visual appeal of food plays a significant role in our choices. The colour of food can trigger expectations about its flavour. For instance, vibrant red often suggests sweetness, while green implies freshness. Studies show that people perceive foods as sweeter or more flavourful when they are brightly coloured. This is even if the actual sugar content remains the same. Our brains make rapid associations based on visual cues. The way food is presented on a plate also matters. An artfully arranged dish can enhance perceived value and enjoyment. This psychological priming influences our taste perception before we even take the first bite. Our digestive system is home to trillions of microorganisms, collectively known as the gut microbiome. This complex ecosystem profoundly influences our health, mood, and even our food cravings. It's often called our second brain. The gut and brain communicate constantly through the vagus nerve and various chemical messengers. This bidirectional pathway is known as the gut-brain axis. It impacts everything from digestion to emotional well-being. Certain gut bacteria can produce neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. These chemicals influence mood and appetite. A diverse and healthy gut microbiome is linked to better overall health and potentially healthier food choices. Food cravings are powerful urges for specific foods, often high in sugar, fat, or salt. These aren't simply signs of hunger, they involve complex brain chemistry. Our brains are wired to seek out calorie-dense foods for survival. When we consume these highly palatable foods, our brains release dopamine. a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward. This creates a positive feedback loop, reinforcing the craving. It's a powerful evolutionary mechanism. Stress and emotional states can also trigger cravings. Comfort foods often provide a temporary sense of relief. Understanding these neurological pathways helps us navigate our desires more effectively. Fermentation is an ancient food preservation technique that has seen a modern resurgence. It involves the metabolic process where microorganisms, like bacteria and yeast, convert carbohydrates into alcohol or organic acids. This transforms food. Beyond preservation, fermentation enhances flavor, texture, and nutritional value. It can make nutrients more bioavailable and introduce beneficial probiotics. Think of yogurt, kimchi, sourdough bread, and kombucha. The microbes involved create unique flavor compounds, adding depth and complexity. This scientific process not only extends shelf life, but also elevates the culinary experience. It's a testament to microbial power. The Maillard reaction is a chemical reaction between amino acids and reducing sugars. It occurs when food is heated, creating hundreds of new flavor and aroma compounds. This is responsible for the delicious browning of many foods. Think of the crust on roasted meat, the golden hue of baked bread, or the rich colour of toasted marshmallows. Without the Maillard reaction, these foods would lack their characteristic depth of flavour and appealing appearance. It's a complex series of reactions that requires specific conditions, including heat and low moisture. This scientific phenomenon is fundamental to countless cooking techniques. It transforms simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. Temperature significantly impacts how we perceive flavour. Many foods have an optimal serving temperature where their flavours are most pronounced and balanced. Think of a perfectly chilled white wine or a warm, gooey chocolate chip cookie. Cold temperatures can dull our taste buds, making flavours seem less intense. This is why ice cream often needs to be sweeter than a room temperature dessert. Heat, conversely, can release volatile aroma compounds, enhancing smell. The physical state of fats also changes with temperature, affecting mouthfeel. Understanding these thermal dynamics allows chefs and home cooks to optimize the sensory experience of their dishes. Every meal we consume is a fascinating interplay of science. From the intricate dance of molecules on our taste buds to the profound influence of our gut microbes, science is at the heart of our food choices. Understanding these hidden scientific principles can deepen our appreciation for food. It allows us to make more informed decisions about what we eat and how we prepare it. It transforms eating from a simple act into a mindful exploration. So, the next time you sit down to eat, remember the incredible science behind every bite. It's a delicious journey of discovery, right there on your plate. Enjoy your food with a newfound scientific awareness. Have you tried this health tip? Share your experience below and pin a comment, and please share your favourite healthy foods. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more video.